Hello class 9. Today we will discuss the type of valency. In the last video we have already discussed about the valency and we know that it is the combining capacity of an element, how an element combined with other element that decide by its valency. And valency and the valence electron both are related with each other. With the help of valence electron we can find out its valency. Valency of metal we can find out with the help of its valence electron. Valency of metal is equals to number of valence electrons and valency of non-metals is equals to 8 minus number of valence electrons. Types of valency. There are two types of valency. One is electrovalency and second is covalency. First is electrovalency. Electrovalency is the number of electron lost or gained of an atom of an element to achieve its nearest inert gas configuration. That is called electrovalency. With the help of example, now we will clear it. In case of sodium, sodium has atomic number 11. Its electronic configuration is 281. Sodium has one electron in their last cell. It means it has one valence electron. When sodium loses its one electron, it achieves the electronic configuration like neon. And so that sodium electrovalency of sodium is 1. In case of magnesium, it has atomic number 12, electronic configuration 282. Two valence electrons are present in case of magnesium. By losing these two valence electron, magnesium achieves the electronic configuration like neon, that is 2 and 8. Hence, electrovalency of magnesium is 2. In case of aluminium, its atomic number is 13 and electronic configuration is 283. 3 valence electrons aluminium have. When aluminium loses this 3 valence electron, it achieves the electronic configuration 2 and 8, that is its nearest electronic configuration of noble gas neon. And by this way, aluminium has electrovalency 3. Second type of valency is covalency. Covalency means the number of electrons shared of an atom of an element to achieve the electronic configuration like noble gases. That is called covalency. It means if an element share their electrons and achieve the electronic configuration like noble gases, then on that time their valency is called covalency. For example, covalency of hydrogen is 1. Hydrogen has atomic number 1 and their electronic configuration is 1. It means it need one more electron to achieve its nearest noble gas configuration like helium, and it need one more electron. So hydrogen share its one electron and hence their covalency is 1. When it share its one electron, then this is one hydrogen both share its one electron and achieve the electronic configuration like helium, that is 2. Hence its covalency is 1. In case of oxygen, atomic number of oxygen is 8. Electronic configuration is 2 and 6. 6 electrons are present and it need 2 more electrons. So oxygen share 2 electrons with others, and when it share its 2 electrons, oxygen has covalency 2. Similarly, in case of carbon, carbon has atomic number 6 and electronic configuration is 2 and 4. So it has 4 electron present in their last cell, and hence carbon share its 4 electron to achieve the nearest noble gas configuration. Therefore, the covalency of carbon is 4. Means carbon by sharing 4 electrons can achieve the electronic configuration like noble gases, and oxygen by sharing its 2 electron can achieve the nearest noble gas configuration. Hence its covalency is